Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add and customize header on Wix Studio. So the very first thing that we should do here is we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to type out Wix Studio. And you'll be able to see different results. So you just have to click on the first website, and then after that, make sure that you have logged in to your account. Okay, so to check that, just click on your profile at the top right of your screen, and you'd be able to see here now your account. Now let's click on the create new site option and click on the studio template. So we are going to start with this one on how we can add and customize header. Okay, so right here you'd be able to see responsive templates that you can use for your website. So for example, we are going to use this template. So just click on it and then just click on edit. And then after a few seconds, you'd be directed to the section where you can customize this template. So now to check if this template has a header, so of course this is the header, so you just have to click on it, and as you can see at the right side, you can now start customizing this header. Okay, and then if you think this header is not good for your website and you want to change it, so yeah, you just have to go here at the right side, and then you have these options. So the right side, you can change the responsive behavior. You also have here the header settings, and then you also have the design. Then if you would like to add an animation for this template or for this header, you just have to click on that thunder icon beside this paintbrush icon. Okay, so you just have to go to this section, and you'll have here the design section, the layout, and of course you can also change the color if you want to. So you just clicked on this one, then just clicked on the plus icon to add a new color, and then you just have to select your color, and then after that, do not forget to click on the apply button. Okay, that's right. And then after that, just click on the X icon, and then if you would like to add a media, so just click on add image or video. Then you also have here the layout. You also have here the background overlay. So yeah, you just have to go to this section. Now let's proceed on how we can add and customize a header with the Studio Blank canvas. So let's go back to our home page, and then just click on the create new site once again, and then select the Studio Blank canvas, and you'd be directed to this page. Okay, so now before adding a header, so this is currently the header, so we are going to remove this one, and I'm going to show you how you can add a header from scratch. So let's just click on this one, and as you can see at the right side, you also have the settings. Okay, so let me just close the settings section, and then right here just click on this three dots and then just click on delete. Now after that, just click on the plus icon at the top left of your screen. Okay, this one, and then go to the sections. So just click on the plus icon, and you'll be able to see here the sections. And then here, as you can see at the bottom, you have the headers. So just click on it, and you'll be able to see here different layouts for your header. So you just have to select it and then just drag and drop. So I think I am going to use this layout. So just drag and drop it right here, and as you can see, we have successfully added the header. Now to start customizing this header, you just have to click on all of the elements that you want to customize. So for example, I am going to customize the text, so let me just redo this one. Okay, so you just have to click on the text, make sure to highlight it, and then just click on the edit text section, and you can also create an AI text if you want to. Okay, so as you can see right here at the right side, we have the settings for the text. So I'm just going to type out right here my own text. So for example, I'm just going to type out header, and then if you would like to change the vector art, or if you have your own logo, just click on it and then just click on upload media and then upload it from computer. Okay, so I'm just going to use a vector art from Wix. So I think I'm going to use this one, and yeah, we have successfully added here now our own logo. Now to customize the layout of the header, so just have to go to the right side. So make sure to click on the header first and then just click on the paintbrush icon. So right here we have the background. So we are going to start with changing the color of the background. Just click on the plus icon and then here select the color and then just click on apply after that. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully changed the color of the background. And then of course, you have to take note that correcting the color of the background is one of the important things that I should know for the header. Okay, so here we also have the overflow content, the position, and we have here we can adjust the docking, the margins, and the padding. Now, if you would like to add an animation and effects for the headers, you just have to go here to the setup section. And here we have different animations that we can use. So that is for the entrance. Now, if you would like to add an animation for the hover, the click, the scroll, the loop, and the mouse effects, you just have to click on the add icon. Okay, so you can see that one below in each of the animation section. Okay, so now let's close this one and let's go back to the header section. So let's manage the menu for this one. So just click on it and then here you'll be able to see your menus. Now just click on add items and you can add main pages, links, submenu, and mega menu. So we are going to start with adding the main pages. As you can see, these are the main pages. So just show more and more pages right here. And then you just have to select of which page. Okay. And then after that, how does it open? So you can select a new window or current window. You also have here the advanced SEO settings. So for the pages, you just have to go to the section. Now let's close this one. Okay, and then here for the menu section, you can also manage your site menus right here. And then if you would like to add a new menus, you just go to the section. Then here you can just type out the name of your new menu. So for example, you would like to add a new home page. So just type out home. And then the next one is you just have to go here, and then if you'd like to add an item for the main pages, so just go back and then just click on the show more pages after that. And yeah, and then after you've done this one, you just have to close it. Let's go back now to the header section. So let's try to add a background image for this one. Okay, so let's open the settings and then go back to the section grid. Okay, so right there we have the media. So just click on add image or video. Then you can upload your own media right here, or you can also use media from Wix. So I'm just going to use this one as the background image. Okay, so here you can adjust the opacity. Then if you'd like to change the color and adjust the opacity of the color, so you just have to click on it. And here you have the position and all of the settings that you can adjust using the header settings. Okay, and then once you are done, you can now preview this one by clicking on this eye icon at the top right. So here at the top left, you have this plus icon or the add element section. So if you would like to change the header layout, so just click on it once again.
So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.